With less than a month left of school, some Dripping Springs ISD parents are not letting up on their push for the district to reconsider its mask policy.
A group wants their children to participate in a sit-out next Friday. Their children would skip school in protest of masks and COVID protocols.
KXAN's Jayla Washington spoke with two families on opposite sides about why they will and will not be part of the sit-out.
Gymnastics practice is one of the only places 9-year-old Zoe Willis feels normal these days.
It's really the only place I get to be myself, not have to wear a mask or anything like that.
That's just one reason her mom Monica is pulling her out of school next Friday, protesting masks.
If people are getting a little heated or emotional, it is literally because we've been trying to stand up for our children for months, and it's exhausting.
Hi, I'm going to be teaching you.
9-year-old Towns Farr, even if he doesn't like masks.
It's not really whether I like it or not, it's whether it keeps people safe.
So his mom Shara says their family
he's going to school.
won't be a part of the sit-out.
It almost makes you think, are we on a reality TV show? Are we being punked right now? This is so absurd and irresponsible.
The two families are clearly divided on the issue, but each stand by why they feel so strongly about their points of view.
Masks are really only effective if worn appropriately. And you know that small children, they constantly touch them, they drop them on the ground.
We have a bigger picture, a bigger cause to live. What are we teaching our children?
Though school ends in just over a week, Willis says parents are just trying to put pressure on the district to give a choice for masks next school year.
It isn't about being disrespectful, just want to feel like we're being heard. We want to be a part of the decisions that are being made.
Jayla Washington, KXAN News.
The sit-out falls on a day where 4th and 5th graders are doing STAR testing. Currently, the district's online dashboard lists 7 total active cases among students. Dripping Springs ISD hasn't yet responded to us when asked for comment about the sit-out, but we did reach out last week after a group got a lawyer and threatened a lawsuit. The district told us in a statement at the time that the mask protocols comply with the law and have kept students and staff safe. They add that under the governor's executive order, there is no ambiguity in their authority.